first start by this case installing the hub or drum. Install the previous greased outer wheel bearing. The washer aligning the tang to the keyway. And then next, the adjusting nut itself. The recommendation for this vehicle, as far as the procedure for tightening the wheel bearings, is to first, while rotating the hub, tighten the wheel bearing to 240 to 300 inch-pounds while spinning the drum. And this actually preloads the bearing and will squeeze all the grease out of the way and make sure that the bearings are properly seated. The procedure then instructs you to back off the nut a quarter of a turn and then tighten the nut finger tight. We will now reinstall the lock for the nut, making sure that we leave a space that is properly aligned with the hole for the cotter pin. Install the cotter pin, which will prevent our adjustment from changing. And then we will bend the cotter pin and trim it to length. Lastly, we will reinstall the dust cap. Not all wheel bearings are adjustable. Many front-wheel drive cars use a hub and a bearing assembly like this one that are not adjustable. The front of this vehicle and many other ones will have something like this, and if it turns out that this is loose, it cannot be adjusted and must be replaced.